Morning.
This is my beautiful baby boy. I almost want to take that back because. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Am I still your beautiful baby boy?
Yeah, you are. If you stop licking me. I have a question though. Do your kids still lick you? Because Aiden used to do that when he was little. Like when he was a toddler, he would just like, I don't know, would just lick my face or just lick. He was really weird. He would lick things in general, like random stuff. And he's 11 now.
And I lick you.
And he still randomly does that.
No, I only lick you.
Am I supposed to, is that supposed to make me feel special?
Yeah!
So I want to know, are your 11-year-old still licking you? Tell me, please, because I need to know if this is if this is normal or not. Okay, baby. Thanks for the kisses and the licks, okay? Love you.
Bye.
What do you mean, bye?
Oh, yeah, I have a slingshot.
Oh, my God. This kid is something else. I'm telling you. He's sweet, though.